What's up developers, and welcome to React Tailwind. In this channel you can find everything about React and Tailwind CSS. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Tailwind CSS with React and Vite. Open your browser guys and go to this link tailwindcss.com. After going that link, open the docs. Go to Framework Guides tab and open the Vite. The first step is to create your Vite project. As you see guys, I have already created my Vite and React project. If you don't know how to install React with Vite, I have already a video about it. The link is in the description below. The second step is to install Tailwind CSS and its peer dependencies by copying this command, Ctrl+C, go to your terminal and paste it. It takes some time to install Tailwind CSS and its peer dependencies. Please wait. After installing Tailwind CSS, it's time to generate Tailwind config and post CSS config by copying this command, paste it in the terminal. As you see guys, our Tailwind config is generated. The third step is to configure your template paths by copying these codes and paste it to Tailwind config. Ctrl+C. And the fourth step and the last step is to add the Tailwind config directives to your CSS by copying these directives. Go to your source folder, open index.css and paste it here. Save it. It's time to run the project. Let me clear the terminal. npm run dev. By clicking this localhost, our project is running. Let's make some changes in the code to see does the Tailwind installed successfully. Hello world, Tailwind CSS. Add some classes with full height screen. Text is gonna be 4 pixels and the color, text color will be blue. Make it flex, make it in the center, justify center. Let's see. Yes, our Tailwind CSS is successfully installed with React and Vite. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please comment down below. Also make sure to like this video and subscribe to React Tailwind. See you in the next video.